was appropriate to put the chimney sweep up on the tippy top. What else do we have? My college. Ones I got when I was in college. Don't these look like hippie ornaments? It's over here by my window.
Oh?
Mm-hmm. I do have one for a white elephant. I think this will be a good white elephant, don't you? Kind of ugly. I think I got it free someplace.
That's the Christmas spirit, huh?
Yeah, re-gift.
Well, I'm glad you saved it. That was such a nice plant, and I thought it would be thrown away.
Oh, heavens no. See us by the tree?
Keep working.
Oh, keep working. Okay.
Work.
Should I put that to work? Some of these are too heavy. Like my pink obese Santa. Have you ever seen a bigger Santa than that?
Well, that's like the king's.
He's a Santa, but he's really, really fat. He's a Victorian Santa. He's quite beautiful. He's a little doll. So, sometimes he goes into the bedroom.
I wouldn't let him do that.
Yeah, could be mattress bedroom. Oh, here's Ellen's. Little photog. Little photojournalist. Cute little tail. Just like Alan.
How's that? It's nice to have a wood fire here going. The one there behind the chair.
We'll see. Hold on to the rail.
You didn't teach me as a